kong malalagay. Ang dami kong nalalagay. Ako yung tao na para akong Girl Scout. Girl Scout, sorry. Ano ako tawag ito, excuse me. Ano ako, hindi ako pwedeng maliit na bag. Ganon. Kung maliit man yung bag ko, ang daming laman nun. Ganon akong tao. Andun yung wallet, susi, wallet, coin purse, pill box, pabango, mouthwash, alcohol, pang-retouch, suklay, payong, pamaypay, kulambo, face towel, cables and chargers. Wala. Hindi ako pwedeng lang. hindi ako pwedeng compact. Dala ang buong bahay. Oo, doon ako nasanay, be. Doon ako nasanay. 'Di ba nga, sino dito yung nanonood nung pinilit nyo akong tawag ito? What's in my bag? 'Di ba ang daming laman ng bag ko? Ganun ako. Hindi ako pwede sa maliit na bag. At saka mahilig ako sa leather. Though yung Telfar hindi naman siya leather. Ano siya? Vegan leather. Pero may bagong labas ang Telfar na sana this year yun ang ma-receive kong birthday gift. It's either from me or from someone. Kasi may akong dalawang tao. Hindi ako sure kung mangyayari. Pero either way, gusto ko yun ang gift ko this year for myself. Yung leather bag ng Telfar. Kasi first time nilang gumamit ng real leather. So, mahilig ako sa leather. I love real leather. Kasi it will last you long. Good luck sa'yo, Jumong. Jumong. Hold on, baby, hold on. There's a fire inside. Diba? May Korean novela noon sa GMA dati, Jumong. Tapos, yun yung kumanta. Hold on, baby, hold. Tama ba? Tama ako, di ba? Doon galing name ko. Totoo mong pangalan yan, Jumong. Wow. Ayun. Tangina, napaka-Gemini ko. Ang random ko mag-isip. Share ko lang rin po na I just got a local bag na banig yung style. It's so light. I love it. Vin? Nicole? Vin Orayas ba yan? Nicole? Vin Orayas? Local ba yung? Okay. Kasi may bag designer si Vin Orayas. Ang style ng mga bags niya is banig. Local ba yung? Well, at least, love local. I got it sa bazaar sa Cebu. Wow! I have so many fashion ideas but I have no capital nor connections to execute them. Conversations in ink, tawag dito, you honestly don't need connections. You just need capital and you need a good marketing strategy. That's for sure. You don't need connections. A lot of great companies, a lot of successful companies do not have any connections at all. But they have such amazing, the CEOs or yung creators, they have solid sila sa marketing strategy nila. And yeah, nag-work. Hindi kailangan ng connections, bebe. Capital, sure yun. Kasi ako, even I. Alisin mo yung pagiging drag queen ko. Dati, nung nananahi pa ako, plano ko talaga magkaroon ng RTW na, na clothing brand. Sobra. Kahit hanggang ngayon, gusto ko magkaroon ng clothing brand. RTW. Pero, back then, I do not have the capital, but I have the marketing strategy. Hanggang ngayon, alam ko pa rin yung marketing strategy. I can barely save for myself. Harsh reality, bebe. Pero, Conversations in Ink, my advice, do not shelve that passion. If you want, kung tawag dito, for now, you can set it aside, but do not dissolve the idea. Kumbaga, wag mong patayin. Kasi darating ang panahon, you will have enough money to put up a business. And hopefully, by then, yung idea mo or yung mga tawag ito, mga strategies mo or yung mga marketing, kung ano man yan, mga designs mo, hindi pa sila paso or hindi pa sila nagagawa ng iba. So you'll be the first. Kasi so far, yung sa akin, ligtas pa naman. Well, yung sa akin kasi ligtas kasi, yung sa akin kasi, it was based on an experience and it was based on a real life scenario na probably na-experience din ng ibang tao pero not all of us experience, but when they see it, relatable. Teacher of the seamstress I hired for a piece, so now even sharing is scary. Conversations in Ink, putol ata yung message mo kasi ito lang yung teacher of seamstress lang yung nakarating sa akin. Wait lang mga beha, ako muna ay mag-oxygen. Ayun, alam ko na gagawin ko. Lalagyan ko pala ng zipper yung tote bag. Lalagyan ko pala ng zipper yung tote bag. Tama. Tama. Wait lang. Makakalimutan ko to bukas eh. Kilala ko sarili ko. So ngayon pa lang, i-ready na natin para pag nakita ko sa bukas, oo nga, gagawin ko pala to. I-ready na natin yung zipper. Para ano tayo, di ba? Para handa tayo. Galing niyo po mag-English. Salamat, darling. Kaya mo rin yan, be. Aral ka lang. Tapos practice ka lang ng practice. Promise. So, ang aking tote bag ay... Baklang-bakla yung salita. Ang aking tote bag... Sorry. So, this is... My tote bag is... It's 18 inches as a square. So, this is... Ang haba niya ay 18 inches. Ang square niya. Ang lapad niya ay... Ang lapad niya ay 7 inches. Okay. So, 18. Okay. Basket number. Tsareng. So, 18. What do I have here that's 18? This is 24 inches. Ah, 24 ang pinakamaiksi ko. Okay lang, overhang. Okay. Tama ba? Tatlo lang yung zipper na malaki. Parang, oo nga, mahaba na yung iba. O, yun. Bukas ka sa akin. Bukas na tayo mag-toss. Hello! The mindset, okay lang overhang, love it. Yeah, may mga ganun naman na bag yung may overhang. Yung hindi siya sakto na, yung may nakalawit. Ganun. Kesa naman, di ba? Kesa naman gupitin ko pa yung zipper, sayang, mahal-mahal yan na zipper na yan. Yun ang gagawin natin project tomorrow. Yeah. Tapos, gagawa tayo ng tote bag. Tama. Kino-convince yung sarili. Kino-convince yung sarili. Tama. Gagawa tayong tote bag bukas. I think my part one of the messages sa censored word, so I give up. Yeah, tawag dito, Conversations in Ink, yung live stream ko kasi may mga filter words para, tawag dito, iwas tayo sa, iwas sa issue, iwas sa banning, ganyan, mga restrictions, yon. May isang left-right ng XG. Yoko nga. Nauto. Sige nga. Namiss ko rin naman ang XG. Hanapin natin ang XG. But a chair is not a house. Left, right, XG. Sobra na nga yung diction ko Hindi pa rin nakuha. Namiss ko kayo, in fairness. I got what you want, I got what you need, Then we hit the slide red. Nakakapagod mag-type sa remote. I know, kaya nga ako Kasi na. Nakita ko na po yung clip na they were singing stand-up sa dressing room. Galing ng raw vocals. Just like my parent is burning up the ground. Let's ride. Ang cute-cute pa dito ni Kokona. I mean, I love her ng kalbo, pero minsan nakakamiss din talaga yung may buhok niyang itsura. Ang babagits pa nila dito. Si Hinata parang 12. Parang 12 lang si Hinata. Ilang taon ko dito? Ganda-ganda ni Kokona. Turing Nuna. Chappell Roan fan ka din, ma? I love her songs, pero not to the extent na kabisado ko yung mga songs niya. Favorite namin isayaw yan sa dance class. Ay, totoo. Inaral ko yung XGW certified na hand G nila. Gusto ko, Diyos ko, hindi kinaya ng hand. Ay, ko. Is the right time, so come get it. You know that I'll be there for you. Down, down, if you're down, down, baby, are you down, down, are you down, down? Take you to the other side. We're certified into the galaxy, now the lights. Down, down, if you're down, down. Favorite song ni Chappell Roan? Maganda yung Pink Pony Club. Galing talaga nila, fairness. Galing ni Jurin, puta. Okay, so I'm gonna try to tell the story again. Go ahead, dear. Gal Z, Cypher, Mi susunod. Ano yan? Ano yung Gal Z, Cypher? Ayoko, hindi ko sila kilala. Be, bahala ka dyan. Ginawa mo kong DJ, wow. Gal Z, Cypher? Ano yun? Anong Gal Z, Cypher? Wait. Ano yung Gal Z, Cypher? Saan galing yan? Ba't parang hindi ko alam yan? Sumagot ka! Saan galing yung Gal Z Cypher na yan? Ano yung Gal Z Cypher? Ba't hindi ko alam yan? Yung Spotify ko... Two years ago na yan. Why do I not know that? Wala ba sa Spotify yun? Gal Z Cypher. Ay. Ano to? Yung pala yun eh. C to the OCO. Yung palang tawag dyan, Gal Z Cypher. Kala ko naman... Wala even iTunes. Ano tawag dito? Kasi naman, bakit naman ganyan naman kasi yung username mo, be? Diba, mama mo maasim. Ben, ba't mo ganyan yung username mo? Palitan mo naman ang tunay mong pangalan. Hindi ka naman troll, maayos ka naman mag-comment, diba? Anyway, so the reason why wala yan sa mga tawag ito, sa mga music platform kasi I believe hindi nila, parang wala silang copyright to release it sa mga music platform kasi they are using a sample of yung una bago mag-rap si Kokona. I believe hindi part ng copyright na binayaran nila is yung i-release siya sa music platform. Katulad ng what's the song? Yung tatlong singer si I forgot. Yung may kanta si Hinata, si Chisa, tsaka si Juria. Hindi sila hindi sila tawag dito sa YouTube mo lang sila makita, at saka kinakanta nila sa concert, pero hindi nila pwedeng i-release sa platform kasi Flow ang original na kumanta nun. So kapag ni-research mo yung song by XG sa music platform, hindi mo mahanap. Ang mahanap mo yung original na singer, which is Flow. Losing You. Yun, katulad ng Losing You, hindi ginamit nila tawag dito, they have their own version, pero hindi part ng binayaran nila sa copyright yung i-release siya sa music platform under XG. Kasi the original is Flow. So, ganun siya. Isa yun sa mga, that's how copyright works. Kaya, tawag dito, kaya maraming mga artists na kumikita sa copyright, sa mga royalties, ganon. Like for example, yung Flow, every time na, isang malaking example na lang ganito. This is the best example of royalties and copyright. Ang original na kumanta ng I Will Always Love You ay si Dolly Parton. Ngayon, alam siya ng lahat, but it got worldwide attention and nagkaroon siya ng worldwide na phenomenon because of Whitney Houston's version. So ang alam ng buong mundo na version ay I Will Always Love You ni Whitney Houston. But hindi nila since ang original singer nun at ang may-ari ng kanta ay si Dolly Parton, lahat ng royalties ay meron si Dolly Parton. Every time someone played I Will Always Love You, binabayaran nila si Dolly Parton. Kasi hindi binenta ni Dolly Parton yung kanta. Copyright lang siya with royalties. Ganon. Kaya si Dolly Parton, kahit umupo na lang siya, basta magpatugtog lang ang kahit isang tao sa kahit saang parte ng mundo ng I Will Always Love You, version man niya o version ni Whitney Houston, bayad si mama. Ganon. Yun yung best example. Use the AI summary, XG's latest hits and fun shot. Ano to? Pag pinindot ko ba to, may mangyayari. Use. Why use AI live summaries? AI live summaries are designed to help your For You feed viewers understand what's happening in your life so they may engage with you. Summaries are generated by AI with the key information in your live content from the past 5 minutes to keep up with your real-time. No. Yung topic naman ni XG was just passing, hindi naman siya purong topic ko. Fan kita since nakita kita sa DRPH. Thank you, idol. Fan mo ako, Agoy. Yun. Thank you. Isang good night lang, Turi. Matulog na. Matulog ka na. Good night. Wait lang. Conversations in ink. Let me backread. Let me try to read your wait lang. I commissioned someone to sew one of my designs, no biggie. All good, no trouble. I see a known designer release a design too similar to mine. Come to find out, that guy was the teacher. Come to find out, that guy was a teacher of the one I hired. So suspicions grew. Ayun, now I'm afraid to even share my designs anymore. Wow. Conversations in Ink, have you tried talking to the guy that you hired? Because, I mean, Conversations in Ink, hindi man siguro siya tawag dito. I mean, hindi man siguro pwede mo sigurong kasuhan. Pero kung hindi man, oh yeah, we all talked. They were shocked too. Shock in what sense? In what sense na shock? Charles, nag-ano na ako sa'yo na matulog ka na. At saka bebe tawag dito, hindi ka matutulog eh. Naghihintay ka lang ng good night sa akin eh. Hindi ka naman din talaga matutulog. Bahala ka dyan. Mapuyat ka. Tawag dito, Conversations in Ink, tawag dito, in what sense sila na shock? Sa anong paraan? Na pareho kayo ng design? Or can you elaborate more? Or na-shock sila na alam mo, na figure out mo. And hindi nila na anticipate na ma-figure out mo. Ganun ba 'yon? Pero tawag dito, well, sa bagay, hindi naman kita masisisi kasi kahit ako naman eh. Kumbaga, in confidence, hindi ko naman iisipin agad that someone will steal my design, di ba? So, hindi mo maiisip na gumawa ng contract or NDA, something like that. Pero siguro, Conversations in Ink, moving forward, since you already have that kind of experience, maybe you try to make a contract na tawag dito, na hindi man siya manotarize, no? Para hindi rin magastos, pero at least lang may kasulatan lang na na pwede mo magamit eventually, just in case things go south, if that makes sense, you know, na at least kasulatan lang na whatever design I ask you to make is my original design, and no one from your circle, or tawag dito, paano ba dapat ang kontrata? Siguro no one from your circle or third degree circle na magkakaroon ng ganong design, if that makes sense. Parang ganon. Pero you know, we can't really do anything about it without like real evidence kasi they're on my side. Okay. Pero siguro ganun na nga. A Conversations in Ink. Siguro moving forward, you try to make at least a contract. Parang, siguro kahit hindi naman contract, parang kasulat, written lang. Kung written, paano ba? Parang witness, parang ganun. Written something. So yeah. Where can we watch you perform? Maxiverse. Like ang nangyari is, of course, once done, I posted it, and of course, repost sila kasi maker din sila. Authentication. Yung bang tawag doon, PUBG? Authentication. Pero tawag dito, kasi, oo nga, parang authentication. Pero PUBG, hindi ba siya magiging issue? Kasi magiging, tawag dito, magiging conversation na, how are you sure that your design is a one of one? Alam mo yun? Pero hindi eh. No. Sorry. Let me retract that. Kasi, even if you are not the first person who make that design, if you are the first who can make a patent or make an authentication of that design, then it's legally yours. Oo nga pala. Yeah. Tama. Ganon siya. Thank you sa follow. Sino pinakamabait sa season? Ako. Precious. Give ko kay Precious. Watching your live while doing my lesson plan. Totoo ba? Thank you. I don't think it's sent ulit. Oo nga, feeling ko, Conversations in Ink. Siguro try mo Tagalogin. Kasi most of my filter words are English. Parang kaunti lang atang Tagalog. Oo. Basta wag lang derogatory kasi yun yung nafi-filter. Kasi ko tawag dito, yung live stream ko kasi 'di ba sabi ko nga, my live stream is a safe space to a lot of kids. So mga tawag dito, mga derogatory words and mga bastos, we don't dyan. Naka-filter 'yon. Wait lang ha, patugtog tayo. 10:30 na. Okay, 10:30 na gagawin ko. Good evening po. Table for how many? This way po. May reservation po sila. Under what name? Let me just check. Alright, this way po. May celebrate daw po kayo. Happy birthday! Asha po, happy birthday! Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Ano ba yung script noon? Ano ba yung script noon? Hindi ko kasi alam yung script nun eh. Meron sana akong gustong gawin dun eh. Anong nangyari kanina sa Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. So yung pagka-squatter natin, iwan natin sa bahay. Hindi ko kasi alam yung script. Oh my God! Look what... Bebe, mga guys, tinan nyo. Di ba pinag-uusapan natin yung design, saka yung protecting the creations. Tinan mo yung, meron akong may nag-prompt dito, AI Live Summary, Design Talk, Protecting Your Creations. Pasabog ang AI. Nakuha niya agad yung pinag-uusapan natin, nakagawa siya ng topic, girl. Okay lang. Okay lang, pasabog ang AI, girl. Love it. I'm curious. I don't know if you'd vibe to this song, but try Religion by Shura. I don't know Religion by Shura. Religion by Shura. Anong genre siya? Religion by Shura. Never Let Me Go by Amber Co. They're listening to us. Yes. Well, let me just give you an example. So, our phones are listening to us. I don't know if you're aware, kids, I don't know if you're aware, the phones are listening to us. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, for example, may pinag-uusapan kayo, sabihin na natin pinag-uusapan nyo ay gusto mong manahe. Pagbukas mo ng app, pag pumunta ka ng makikita mo, ang ibibigay sa'yo ng phone na mga ads, punta ka Facebook, makikita mo mga ads puro tungkol sa makina, anything about sewing. You were talking to your friend that you wanted to buy a new shoes. New sneakers, ganon. You open Facebook. Automatic, lahat ng ads mo puro sapatos. Our phones are listening to us. It's true. At saka tawag dito, dati, ano yun eh, dati parang hinala lang. Pero because of AI, parang ginawa na lang siyang normal. Kasi dati hinala lang natin, hala, ba't ganito? Yung puro ads ko gano'n, di ba bakla pinag-usapan lang natin to? Wala na, nag-cellphone natin. Dati hinala lang natin yun. Girl, ngayon, because of AI, they make it obvious. They make it so obvious na parang ang ginagawa ngayon ng AI is okay lang yan, normal yan. Eto oh. Ganon. Ganon ang ginagawa ngayon ng AI. So they're pushing whatever tawag dito, whatever info they will get. Kasi nga, tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Alam mo, aaralin ko nga yung script na yan. Tatry ko yan tatry kong i-jackery na sa yan. Try natin i-jackery na sa yan. Can't wait for the algo to now recommend fine dining restaurants. Diba? Pasabog ang algorithm. Ala. Diba nga sabi ko sa inyo, gumawa ako ng affiliate video kasi naghahanap ako ng medida. As in, tinype ko lang, tape measure sa TikTok shop. Tape measure lang. Nakahanap akong tape measure. Add to cart. Exit TikTok shop. Scroll. Exit app. May ginawa ako something I forgot. And then when I opened my phone, went to TikTok, girl, halos lahat ng parang first 10 videos ko was all about fashion, sewing, Cornelius Quiring, sino pa ba? Tungkol sa damit. Tapos pagdating ko sa TikTok shop, girl, lahat ng feed ko puro tela, sinulid, karayom. Ganon. So they're listening. Tapos, since naririnig naman tayo ng phone natin, gantong gawin natin. Algorithm, can you make me go viral? Can you push all of my affiliate videos to a lot of viewers so that I could get a lot of affiliate commissions, so that I can get a lot of sales? Since you're listening, is that okay? Algorithm, can you push all of my affiliate videos so that I could get a lot of affiliate commission sales? Also, can you make me go viral so that I could get a lot of followers? Thank you, algorithm. Why not? Why not? Right? And algorithm, I want money. Paano? Convo and ink, paano? I want money. Paano ka bibigyan ng algorithm? Sa anong paraan? Sa bagay, AI naman siya, no? Makakaisip na yun ng way. Tama. Ayun, tama, Justin. Algorithm, can you push my videos to hair brands? Can you show a lot of my videos to a lot of hair brands, local and international, so that I could potentially be the face of their brand? Thank you. Bakla. Pag ito nag-work, 28 lang kayo dyan. Pag nag-work to, saksing buhay kayo. Kung sino man kayong 28 na nanonood ngayon, saksing buhay kayo. Pag nangyari yan, te. Gawin mo ako endorser fine dining. Ayoko. Sa'yo na yung fine dining restaurant na yan. Ayoko. Papapayat nga ako, ito naman. Manifesting, now we're tricking the algorithm. But you know what? Oo nga, no? Algorithm is better than manifesting. Why not? Why not? I mean, well, paano ba? In a way, you're manifesting. It's just that you're manifesting and the phone is hearing it. Kasi, taga-salita ka rin naman, di ba? So basically, you are manifesting already. So, that's already a manifestation eh. Law of attraction na yun eh. You are being... sa mga hindi nakakaalam, paano nag-work ang law of attraction? Ang law of attraction, it says that whatever you think and whatever you feel and whatever you say will, whatever you throw out to the universe will reciprocate the same energy. So, for example, ngayon, kinakausap ko yung algorithm. I'm being positive and hopeful about it. Mataas yung frequency ng katawan ko. Ibig sabihin, binabato ko siya sa universe in a positive way. Naririnig siya ng universe. At the same time, naririnig din siya ng phone ko. So, hitting two birds. May nararating tenga yung manifesting. Oo. Play Religion by Shura or Never Let Me Go by Amber Ko. You know what? Let's not go to the algorithm. Let me just pick that up. Religion by Shura. Bakit parang familiar tong... Religion. Shura. Excuse me. The patience needed to type on remote. I know. It's giving... Parang medyo exploring. Nababasa niyo ba to? O ako lang ba nakakabasa nito? Ako lang ba nakakabasa nito? Sa comment section? AI Live Summary, exploring how our phones listen. Bitch, that's scary. That's fucking scary, girl. That's scary. Oh my god, that's scary, girl. They answer you. ate, ate, itigil muna natin. Hindi. Titigil ba natin to? Hindi. Hindi natin titigil. We will talk more about algorithm. Algorithm, can you like phone, if you're listening, TikTok algorithm, if you're listening, can you like push all of my affiliate videos to a lot of viewers so that I could get a lot of affiliate sales? TikTok algorithm, if you're listening, can you make me go viral in a good way? TikTok algorithm, if you're listening, can you like show my videos to a lot of hair brands, local and international? Bakla, hindi ko kinaya yung may AI live summary, girl. Self-aware siya, ate. Bading nakakatakot yun, ha? Pero, why not? Okay. As if we have a choice. I mean, this is the technology we are living in right now. So, in as much as we want to, we can't. So, we'll just go with the flow then. Convoy Inc. Etong kanta na to, medyo may influensya ng Japanese city pop. Kasi may naririnig akong Japanese city pop vibes na synthesizer. If that makes sense. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Ayun o. It's giving Japanese city pop. But the singer's voice is not. Yung si Shura, she's giving pop voice, but the melody, it's giving synthesizer, Japanese city pop. Yung boses niya, it's giving early 2000 pop. Early 2000 pop. Good evening. No, I'm watching the lyrics. Wait lang ha. Ano ko lang. Di ko natatapusin ha, Bea. Hindi ko pa naman kasi siya mahal eh. Ikaw pa lang naman may gusto niyan. So, ako muna. $10:54 na. Bukas na lang. Bukas. Sa mga viewers ko dito, bukas, nood tayo bagong episode ng Drag Race. Sayang, kalimutan ko, may bagong episode nga pala ngayon. Bukas na lang ako anong tawag natin doon dapat? Mirror stream? Reflection stream. Reflection viewing party ng bagong episode ng Drag Race. Yun ang gagawin natin bukas. Pag nag-live ako bukas. Ganun tayo. Mag-reflection viewing party tayo. Kalimutan ko! Si Yowing, ikaw lagi nagpo-push nun nakalimutan mo. 8:00 pa lang naka-live na ako. Sana inano mo na agad yun. Bukas na lang. Anyway, hoy, mga guys, 11 PM na mag-workout ako. Okay? So, napanood ko na, kaya naman pala, mayabang ka. Kaya baka ikaw pala eh. Anyway guys, I'll have to end my live now because I'm gonna work out. So, ayun. Bukas na lang ulit, ha? Good night everyone. Love you. Night night.